Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. Thank you for all the support that you are giving me in social medias. It keeps my hope alive and it encourages me to produce more videos like this. This particular painting I will be painting live at a workshop hosted by Francesca Pate, a huge American organization. I'm very grateful that they have given me the opportunity to showcase my talent. Anyone can participate in this workshop, but the seats are very limited. I will be giving all the contact details in the description down below, so you can directly contact me there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll keep on posting videos like this. Thank you for watching.